Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Dior, specifically Dior packaging, and I'm also going to share with you some of the newer items that I spotted on the Dior website recently that really surprised me. So hopefully that'll be an interesting conversation. So I think most of us who are luxury fans can agree that Dior's packaging is really beautiful, and especially when we compare to other brands such as Louis Vuitton and even Chanel and Hermes, I think that Dior's packaging is just a whole nother level. Their attention to detail and the intricacy in terms of the design and the patterning is just exquisite. So this is just one of their regular boxes. It's not even a holiday packaging box. It's not special edition. It's just a regular box. And you can see here they did not cut any corners. You've got really nice quality, thick paper, thick cardboard. It feels like a thick, wedding invitation, for example. And then you've got all this design work, and it goes all the way around the sides and also on the back. So they could have technically gotten a little bit cheaper and they could have made this a cream color, but they went all out. Every square inch is covered with this beautiful detail. So I've got these three here from various gifts that I've received over the years, and I just cannot get myself to throw away these boxes because they're so beautiful. So I use them for different purposes and I store things in them because I have to hang on to them, and that's speaking volumes because you guys know, if you've been here before, I don't like to hang on to a lot of things. I like to keep it tidy, clutter-free, and I'm very quick to let go of things, but these boxers are just so beautiful, I have to hang on to them. Before we continue, I want to share with you, just in time for Valentine's Day, this beautiful set of roses. And of course, Dior and roses always goes together. You know that. Roses are just a kind of a beautiful symbol that Dior is constantly using. And I just want to open this up here so you can see. This set of roses is from a company called Rose Forever, and they're a New York brand, so they're local here, and I've been working with them for a while now. So this portion of the video is sponsored in full transparency, but you guys know I rarely do sponsored videos because I'm very, very picky about who I work with, and this is a company that I really personally enjoy, and I enjoy spreading the word about them. So this set here has 9 pink roses. They're all real roses, and they are preserved with natural oils, no chemicals, and they are preserved to last a full year. So this one right here is proof in the pudding, because if you watched my October video, it was for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and we had the pink ribbon and all kinds of pink items featured, and this was one of them. So that means that this set of roses has been with me for at least 3 months, and as you can see, they're standing up perfectly, meaning there's no wilting, nothing is falling apart. With Rose Forever roses, you're going to have something of quality for at least a full year. And then the reason why I love this one in particular, this one is from the Crystal collection. And as you can see, it's in a crystal or acrylic box. And it's really multifunction, which I love. So this bottom drawer pulls out here, and it perfectly fits all of my sunglasses. So I store my sunglasses down there, just really neat and tidy. And this one here, as you can see, comes off. It's a lid, and you can use this as well as a tray. So you can put your knickknacks, you can place your beauty products on here, you can use this on your vanity. I love when things are versatile and multifunction. They also have various collections that have this suede box. They also have a suede hat box style. This one comes in the ivory roses. I think it's so chic, so pretty. They have lots of different colors, from pinks, blues, reds, purples, even black, white, or cream. There's so many different varieties. So if you're looking to get a Valentine's Day present for yourself, maybe you want to spoil yourself and have a beautiful set of roses around your home as home decor, or you want to get a gift for somebody that you love, I do think that Rose Forever New York is a great company, and I would highly recommend them. I will link their information down below, including a promo code, so if you decide to order, you can save some money. Okay, so let's continue with Dior. I found some interesting and surprising items on the Dior website recently that I just had to share with you guys. Okay, so as you can see here, I've pulled up the Dior website, and they are now offering, it seems, Dior boxes for sale, meaning you can get a box without an actual item with it. This one here they're calling a storage box. Essentially, it's the same kind of box as the one that I'm showing here, the ones that I have. They're thick paper boxes adorned with these Dior designs. And as you can see, this one is a bit larger. It's going for $180. Yes, so let me give you a close-up. This one here, it has the stripes on the inside and then the toile design on the outside. Interestingly, as you can see on the back, there is no design work. It's just plain white, and then it has the Dior letters, which is I don't know, I say it's interesting because if you're going to charge $180 for a box that you would normally get with a purchase, I would think the same level of detail or more would go into it. As an example, here's one of the boxes that I have. Like I said, the back, this is the back side, is covered with the design work, but the one that they're selling is blank. So I don't know. That's just one of the issues that I have. I'm not sure where they're going with this. Maybe it's really smart. Maybe they've caught on to the fact that people are really into their packaging, and maybe there are people who go on to the DIOR website and just purchase like one little thing just to get a box. Who knows? And I mean, hey, I've been tempted before to just buy something for the beautiful packaging, trust me. So that is probably a real thing, and maybe DIOR is just smart. Is this a smart move by them that they're offering boxes now for purchase? They also are offering this file box version. This one's a little bit less. It's $170. So let me bring it up close. I suppose if you wanted to make your workstation really beautiful and chic and you wanted to store all of your files like this, you could do that. This seems a bit extra to me. But hey, if you love DIOR and you love this look, then maybe it's worth it for you. I don't know. Is it smart? Or is DIOR going to maybe risk having their customers kind of roll their eyes at this and maybe even be turned off by the fact that they're selling paper cardboard boxes for, close to $200? What do you guys think? Is it smart or is it silly? There's also this one here, and I have to laugh because they're calling it a paper tray, and I get it. And there's a lot of people working from home these days too, so maybe they're tapping into that market. I'm working from home, so I guess it might be nice to make my workstation a bit more bougie at home to make me feel nice. But this is a paper tray. To me, it's like a box without a lid. I could just take, I don't know, maybe I'm not getting it. But yeah, this one here is $140. And yeah, again, it just looks like a box to me with a little cutout in the front with no lid. You can store your paper in here, I suppose. It might feel nice to do that. I don't know if it's going to feel nice enough for the amount that you're paying for it. Here also, the last item I want to share with you is a square pencil pot, which sounds so cute. Essentially, it's a paper pen and pencil holder. It's a pencil and pen holder that's made out of paper. Yeah. So here's what it looks like. Again, the bottom doesn't have that patterning, so it looks like they're just doing the sides. And this is going for $85. So here's my thing. I mean, it's pretty, and there must be a reason why they're making these products available. Like I said, maybe they've caught on to people really falling in love with their packaging, and they're trying to sort of capitalize on that. That could be smart. These are made out of paper though, so if you're going to put stuff in it and you're going to have like a coffee nearby or a cup of water nearby while you're working, what if you spill? And we all know what happens to cardboard boxes and paper when you spill something on them. They get soggy and they start to rip and disintegrate. So is this really practical for most people? I don't know. I'm certainly not going to buy these, but maybe some of you really like this and you think it's a really, really good move by DIOR. I'd really love to know your thoughts in the comment section below. I want this to be a conversation. If I'm going to be really honest with you, I would much rather have something like this with beautiful roses. I'm trying to sneak it into the shot here. That's made out of acrylic, that is really sturdy and durable and wipeable and doesn't have the risk of disintegrating if it gets wet, basically. So for roughly the same price, I want to say, a beautiful set of roses that last for over a year or up to a year. And then you've got these paper boxes. I'm not comparing these two because it's apples and oranges, totally different things, but I don't know why. I just went to that place of if I'm going to get a box anyway, I want it to be a bit more multi-purpose, and I definitely want it to last if I'm paying over $100 for it. So maybe I'm just not getting it and I'm missing DIOR's point. I'm not their target customer, but I'm not seeing this happening. I feel like eventually they're going to notice that customers are not purchasing and they're going to eventually pull this stuff from production, or maybe I'm totally wrong. I'm also a little bit concerned if this is how DIOR is moving. Does that mean that potentially Louis Vuitton and Chanel and Hermes and other brands might follow suit, meaning they might start selling their boxes? If they do that, I don't know, something about it just doesn't feel right to me, meaning it just doesn't feel as special or as luxurious if you could just buy a box from them versus getting it with your purchase, like the whole package, the whole experience. But again, that's just me. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it to be interesting. Again, if you're interested in Rose Forever, please check out my description box below for all their information and the promo code. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.